Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: an API key, billing enabled, and the places library loaded. Add the script tag that includes places. Autocomplete and restrict the key by referrer to limit misuse. Next, create the text input in your form with a clear ID and area label so users and assistive tech recognize it. Once done, wire a small initialization function that targets that ID. This begins the live autocomplete behavior you need for accurate locations. Once the input exists, instantiate new Google Maps, Places, autocomplete on it, specify types like address to narrow suggestions. Then add a place changed listener and, when triggered, read place. Geometry and address components to populate form fields such as city, postal code, and lat/LNG. Make sure to set fields on the autocomplete request to limit return data and reduce quota usage. Also, debounce user input, or rely on the library, defaults to avoid unnecessary API calls while typing. You finish by mapping extracted address components into your form, including hidden latitude and longitude fields that your backend expects. Validate and then submit. Make sure you handle cases where place geometry is missing by offering a manual address input so users are not blocked. If autocomplete fails, check API key restrictions, billing status, and the browser console for denied requests. Those are the usual culprits. Finally, log a few sample place responses in development to confirm fields map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.